Do you ever find yourself staring at the ceiling at 3 a.m., your mind racing, while the rest of the world is peacefully asleep? You've tried everything, counting sheep, warm milk, maybe even those expensive blackout curtains. You've followed all the conventional advice, yet you still feel that familiar wave of frustration and exhaustion as another sleepless night bleeds into a groggy, unproductive day. It's a silent battle fought by millions, a desperate search for that elusive switch that will simply turn off your brain and allow you the deep, restorative rest your body is crying out for. You feel like you're at your wit's end, and the promise of a good night's sleep feels like a distant, unattainable dream. But what if I told you that the answer isn't in some expensive gadget or a prescription pill? What if the key to unlocking profound, restful sleep is likely sitting in your kitchen pantry right now? I'm talking about a simple, everyday ingredient that has been a staple in households for centuries: garlic. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Garlic? The pungent bulb you use to flavor your pasta sauce? How could that possibly be the secret to overcoming insomnia? And that's where the intrigue begins. Because it turns out the vast majority of people are using garlic completely wrong, especially when it comes to harnessing its incredible sleep-inducing properties. They cook it too soon, use the wrong kind, or are completely unaware of the simple ancient methods that unlock its true potential. In this video, I am going to reveal the 4 powerful methods that will transform this common kitchen ingredient into one of the most potent natural sleep aids you have ever encountered. I will guide you step by step through each technique, explaining the science and the history behind why they work so effectively. And I urge you to pay close attention to the 4th method. It may sound a little strange at first, but it is by far the most powerful of them all, and it has been a game changer for so many people who thought they had tried everything. By the end of this video, you will be armed with the knowledge to reclaim your nights and wake up feeling refreshed, revitalized, and ready to conquer your day. So stay with me, because your journey to a better night's sleep starts now. So why garlic? What makes this humble bulb, a member of the onion family, a potential powerhouse for promoting sleep? To understand its remarkable properties, we need to look back in time. Long before the advent of modern medicine, ancient civilizations revered garlic for its potent medicinal qualities. Ancient medical texts from Egypt, Greece, Rome, China, and India all prescribed garlic for a wide range of ailments. The ancient Greek physician Hippocrates, often called the father of Western medicine, prescribed garlic for numerous conditions. In many cultures, it was administered to laborers to provide strength and increase their work capacity. Historical records show that garlic was even given to the original Olympic athletes in Greece as one of the earliest performance-enhancing agents. Among its many documented uses, from treating infections to improving circulation, garlic was also recommended for conditions like insomnia. But what is the science behind this age-old wisdom? The magic lies within a powerful sulfur compound called allicin. Allicin is the primary active ingredient in garlic and is responsible for many of its health benefits, including its distinctive, pungent aroma. When a garlic clove is in its whole, undisturbed state, allicin doesn't actually exist. Instead, the clove contains a compound called alliin and an enzyme called alliinase, which are kept in separate compartments within the garlic cells. It's only when you crush, chop, or chew the garlic that these 2 components come into contact, triggering a chemical reaction that creates allicin. This is a crucial piece of information that we will come back to in our first method. So how does this magical compound allicin help you sleep? The mechanism is twofold. First, allicin has a gentle, calming effect on the central nervous system. It helps to reduce stress and promote relaxation, creating the ideal physiological state for restful sleep. It can improve blood circulation and stabilize your heart rate, further contributing to a state of calm. Secondly, and perhaps more importantly, garlic stimulates the production of serotonin, a crucial neurotransmitter that plays a vital role in regulating our moods and sleep-wake cycles. Serotonin is often referred to as the feel-good hormone because of its association with feelings of happiness and well-being. But its role in sleep is equally significant. Serotonin is the precursor to melatonin, the hormone that governs our body's internal clock and signals to our brain that it's time to sleep. So by supporting the production of serotonin, garlic indirectly helps your body create the melatonin it needs to fall asleep and stay asleep. The beauty of these methods is their simplicity. You don't need any special equipment or hard-to-find ingredients. Everything you need is readily available, and the techniques are easy for anyone to incorporate into their nightly routine. Method 1. The simplest and most common way, with a twist. The first method is all about how you consume garlic, and it addresses the single biggest mistake most people make when they cook with it. Have you ever chopped up a clove of garlic and immediately thrown it into a hot pan? We've all done it. But in doing so, you are essentially destroying the very compound that provides the sleep-enhancing benefits. Remember how we talked about allicin being created when the alleine and alliinase enzymes combine? Well, that process takes a little bit of time, and the alliinase enzyme is heat-sensitive. If you apply heat too quickly, you deactivate the enzyme and prevent the allicin from ever forming. So the secret to unlocking the power of garlic is to give it a little bit of time to work its magic before you cook with it. Here's the right way to do it, step by step. First, you're going to want to take a fresh clove of garlic and either chop, crush, or mince it. The more you break down the cell walls of the garlic, the more allicin will be produced. Second, and this is the most crucial step, you need to let the chopped or crushed garlic sit for about 10 to 15 minutes before you do anything else with it. This waiting period allows the alliinase enzyme to fully convert the alliin into allicin, maximizing the potency of the garlic. Third, you can then add the garlic to your food. For the best results, it's recommended to add it towards the end of the cooking process, or even consume it raw. If you can tolerate it, this is because allicin can still be degraded by prolonged exposure to high heat. By adding it at the end, you preserve as much of the beneficial compound as possible. By making this one small change to your cooking routine, you are ensuring that you are getting the maximum amount of allicin from your garlic, which in turn will help to calm your nervous system and support the production of serotonin, leading to a more restful night's sleep. Method 2. The unconventional folk remedy. Now, for our second method, we're going to step away from the kitchen and into the bedroom with a technique that has been passed down through generations in various cultures around the world. It's an ancient folk remedy that doesn't require you to eat any garlic at all. Instead, you simply place a single clove of garlic under your pillow before you go to sleep. I know it sounds strange, but this practice is rooted in the belief that the subtle aroma of the garlic released throughout the night acts as a form of gentle aromatherapy, calming the nervous system and promoting deeper, more restorative sleep. The sulfur compounds in garlic, including allicin, are responsible for its strong, pungent scent. It is believed that inhaling this aroma as you sleep can have a mild sedative effect, helping you to relax and fall asleep more easily. The mechanism behind this is thought to be twofold. Firstly, the scent of garlic can help to clear your nasal passages, which can improve your breathing and reduce the likelihood of snoring. This is particularly beneficial for those who suffer from mild sleep apnea or a congestion. Secondly, the aroma is believed to have a direct calming effect on the nervous system. As you breathe in the subtle scent, it stimulates the olfactory system, which sends signals to the part of the brain that governs emotions and relaxation. This can help to reduce feelings of anxiety and stress, making it easier to drift off to sleep. For the best results, it's recommended to use a fresh, firm clove of garlic each night. You can peel it to expose more of its aromatic oils, and some people even give it a gentle crush to release more of the scent. Simply tuck it inside your pillowcase or place it near the edge of your pillow, close to where your head will rest. Many people who have tried this method report a noticeable improvement in their ability to fall asleep and stay asleep within just a few nights. Method 3, the cozy and ritualistic recipe. Our third method is a warm and comforting ritual that combines the sleep-promoting properties of garlic with two other powerful natural sleep aids, warm milk and honey. This soothing beverage is designed to be consumed shortly before bedtime to help you unwind and prepare your body for a night of deep, restorative rest. The power of this recipe lies in the synergistic effect of its three ingredients. We've already discussed how garlic helps to calm the nervous system and support the production of serotonin. Warm milk, on the other hand, is a well-known sleep aid due to its tryptophan content. Tryptophan is an essential amino acid that the body uses to create serotonin and melatonin. By drinking warm milk before bed, you are providing your body with the raw materials it needs to produce these crucial sleep hormones. Honey, the third ingredient in this comforting concoction, also plays a vital role in promoting sleep. It helps to stabilize your blood sugar levels throughout the night, preventing those middle-of-the-night awakenings that can be caused by a drop in blood sugar. Additionally, the glucose in honey stimulates the release of insulin, which in turn helps tryptophan to enter the brain more easily, where it can be converted into serotonin and then melatonin. Here's the simple recipe for this cozy, sleep-inducing beverage. You will need 1 glass of milk, 1 clove of garlic, and 1 teaspoon of raw honey. First, crush the garlic clove and let it sit for about 10-15 minutes to activate the allicin. While the garlic is sitting, gently heat the milk in a saucepan. Be careful not to let it boil, as high heat can destroy some of the beneficial compounds in both the milk and the garlic. Once the milk is warm, add the crushed garlic and stir well. Let the mixture simmer for a few minutes to allow the garlic to infuse into the milk. Then remove the saucepan from the heat and let it cool slightly before stirring in the teaspoon of honey. Drink this warm, soothing beverage about 30 minutes before you plan to go to sleep. The combination of the calming effects of the garlic, the tryptophan from the milk, and the blood sugar stabilizing properties of the honey creates the perfect recipe for a deep and restful night's sleep. Method 4, the advanced and most powerful method. Now, we come to our fourth and final method, which is by far the most potent and for many the most life-changing. This method involves a special type of garlic that you may not be familiar with, fermented or black garlic. Black garlic is essentially regular garlic that has been aged for several weeks in a controlled environment with high heat and humidity. This slow transformation process, which is technically a Maillard reaction rather than true fermentation, results in a number of remarkable changes. The garlic cloves turn a deep, inky black, their texture becomes soft and chewy, and their flavor transforms from pungent and spicy to mild, sweet, and tangy, with notes of molasses and balsamic vinegar. But the most significant changes occur at a molecular level. The aging process breaks down the allicin, which is why black garlic doesn't have the same sharp bite as its raw counterpart. However, it also significantly increases the bioavailability of other beneficial compounds and creates new ones, such as S-allyl cysteine, SAC, which is a powerful antioxidant. When it comes to sleep, black garlic is a true superstar. The fermentation process enhances the garlic's ability to support the production of serotonin, the precursor to melatonin. The compounds in black garlic are more readily absorbed by the body, making it even more effective than raw garlic at promoting a gentle and natural onset of sleep. It can also help to reduce nighttime awakenings and maintain a consistent sleep rhythm. In addition to its sleep-enhancing properties, black garlic is a nutritional powerhouse. It is packed with antioxidants that support immune function, reduce inflammation, and enhance cardiovascular health. Many people, particularly those over the age of 60, who have incorporated black garlic into their daily routine report not only improved sleep, but also a feeling of lightness and increased energy upon waking. To use black garlic for sleep, you can simply eat 1 or 2 cloves about an hour before bedtime. The mild sweet flavor makes it much more palatable than raw garlic. You can also find black garlic in supplement form, either as a powder or in capsules. The journey to a good night's sleep doesn't have to be a frustrating and endless struggle. As we've discovered today, the solution to your sleepless nights might just be hiding in plain sight in the humble and often underestimated clove of garlic. We've explored 4 distinct and powerful methods, each offering a unique approach to harnessing the sleep-promoting properties of this incredible natural remedy. From the simple yet crucial technique of activating the allicin in the garlic you cook with, to the ancient and intriguing practice of placing a clove under your pillow, to the comforting and ritualistic warm garlic milk and honey beverage, there is a method to suit every preference and lifestyle. And for those seeking the most potent and transformative results, the incredible power of black garlic offers a path to not only deeper sleep, but also enhanced overall well-being. I encourage you to choose one of these methods that resonates with you and give it a try. Start tonight. You have nothing to lose and a world of restful, rejuvenating sleep to gain. Imagine a future where you no longer dread the setting of the sun, where your bed is a sanctuary of peace and tranquility, and where your mornings are filled with a newfound sense of clarity, energy, and vitality. That future is within your reach. Which of these 4 methods are you most excited to try tonight? Let us know in the comments below. We love hearing from you and learning about your experiences. If you found this video helpful and learned something new, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more natural health solutions. Thank you for watching, and here's to a night of deep, peaceful, and restorative sleep. Good night.